Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a limited ingredient, grain and gluten-free turkey and pumpkin biscuit. So we're going to make these guys today. So we're just going to need a few things from the kitchen, some tools, and grab your four-legged ones and let's get started. For today's video, you'll need some pans with some parchment paper lined, half a cup measuring cup, your rolling pin, at least a 2-cup measuring for your flour, your bowl. We're going to use puree pumpkin, baby Gerber. Works just as good. There's no additives in it, no sugars, all natural. You're going to need eggs, and then we're going to need our coconut flour. We're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of our coconut flour. Let's see if I can do this one hand. We're going to need 2 eggs. Next, we're going to grab our Gerber pureed pumpkin and pour that in. Do half a cup of our turkey broth. Carefully add that into the mix. Optional, we're going to use gloves today. If you have clean hands, that works just as well. And let's get mixing. Alright, our first batch came out pretty good. It's all together. There's nothing stuck to the bottom of the mixing cup. So if you want to continue at this point and start rolling out on with your rolling pin on your board with flour, but we're going to go ahead and make a few more batches because we got quite a bit to do for the store. Now that we have all our batches ready, we're going to go ahead and grab our trays with our parchment paper, some flour, your choice of cookie cutter press. We're going to use a multiple one, and trays, and then we're going to get these bad boys in the oven. Let's get started. Now that we have our oven filled up, we're going to go ahead and close everything up. We're going to make sure our oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to do an approximate cook time of about 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll check up on it periodically while it's baking. Once your timer's done, keep the oven doors closed and leave all the cookies and the trays in there. That way they dry out nice, even if it takes a few hours. And we're going to make sure that they are nice and crisp on the center, that they're nice and dried out, so they give you a longer shelf life, approximately a couple of weeks in a Ziploc bag. And the most important part is going to be the tests.